Welcome back to another video, guys, and today we're learning about this vacuum cleaner right here. These are one of the vacuum cleaners that go on the floor and vacuum. They're not like the noisy ones that they're not the noisy ones that like on you program it yourself and you like a regular vacuum cleaner. It's like one of those things that go on the floor by themselves. I would show you how it works later in the video, but for now I'm gonna show you about it. So first of all, it's like I just got it. It's brand new. It looks nice when you get it, and all you have to do is when you get it, you have to press this switch right here to turn it on, and then you press this button right here, and it starts vacuuming, and it comes with these sweepers right here, these things that mops the floor, and it also comes with these things right here. I'm gonna tell you what's this right here. So this is so look, this is the thing to clean the filter. So when the filter gets filled with dirt, you could just take the dirt out with this thing right here and just toss it in the garbage can. Look, I'm gonna show you what the filter looks like. Right. So it comes with these things so you can close it with the filter, and the filter is right in here. It's not a very big filter, but it's good enough. It does its job. It still cleans the floor. It's pretty good. Alright, let me just close this. Oh wait, I forgot to put this stuff back in here. Alright, so yeah, that's the filter. So wow, this is hard to close. So as I was saying, this is to clean the filter. It also has these things right here. You could just clean it with the little dust. So this is to clean the filter, and there's this thing where you could stick this mop right there. I'm gonna stick it. And let's say you got the floor wet and you spilled juice or something. You could stick it onto there and it cleans it for you. So it's a very good product. I actually So it comes with a charger. Hold on, let me get the charger. I'll be right back. So it comes with the charger, and the charger is pretty long. It's not like one of those short ones. And you cannot put the batteries in here. You could only charge it. The charger is on the side of the vacuum cleaner. And yeah, now's the time I could oh, and by the way, it's used for 1 hour, and but it's time to show you how this thing works. Let's do this. All right, let's get these out. All right, get the charger. All right, look. So you can see the vacuum. You can see the vacuum cleaner, and I'm gonna turn it on. 3, 2, 1. See, it does its job. It's cleaning. It's cleaning very well. It's cleaning. Oh no. It gets stuck sometimes, but it's pretty good. It does its job. Oh no. Alright, so you can use it for 1 hour. That's its use if it's like fully charged. And yeah, this is the also there's better vacuum cleaners than this one. There's like ones where you could like program it on your phone, but it is not one of those vacuum cleaners, but it's good enough. It's very good. So yeah, let me turn this thing off. So yeah, it's a good vacuum cleaner. Let me get the box so I could show you the things it does. I will be right back. It's quick. It's really quick. Actually, I might have thrown it out. You know what? It's fine. I pretty much told you everything about the vacuum cleaner. So this is the first time ending our video on the floor. So whatever. So let's just end the video here. And peace, bro. Peace.